Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I will be presenting case study for Services Insight 3.1, and the title of this case study is Banco Azteca Caters to the Little Guy. Banco Azteca is a bank operates in Mexico. In March 2002, Banco Azteca was formed when Grupo Electra received the required financial services license, and the bank began its operations in October 30th, 2002. It is the first new bank existed in Mexico after nearly a decade. And this bank target market in the country is people with household income within the range of $250 to $1,300 a month. So in Mexico, the total target market for this range of household income is nearly 16 million households. The target market consists of people working as taxi driver, factory worker, and a teacher in Mexico. So this category of people are usually being ignored by majority of a well-established bank in Mexico. It can be said that only 1 out of 12 households had saving account in the country. So this project of Banco Azteca was initiated by a Mexican billionaire known as Ricardo Salinas Pliego. He was the head of retail media telecommunication in the Grupo Electra. So Grupo Electra is actually the largest appliances retailers in Mexico. It offers services to sectors that have been underserved by traditional financial institutions through the existence of Banco Azteca. And Banco Azteca want to create a friendly atmosphere among its clients. So the bank slogan is a bank that is friendly and will treat you well. Banco Azteca were located within more than 900 Electra stores in Mexico alone, and the theme is green, red, and white colors to resemble the Mexico flags. As you can see in the infographic, Banco Azteca location is inside the Electra store. So when people go to Electra store, they can go to Banco Azteca and use the services there. So the relationship between Banco Azteca and Electra store is to tap on the advantage had by the Electra, because Electra have 50 years of experience and a track record of consumers in finance. So the top management made a decision to convert Electra credit departments in each stores of Electra into Azteca branches with expanded lines of services offered by the bank. So the bank concept is high technology systems. The company invested heavily to gain high technology systems in Banco Azteca's transaction, which include high technology fingerprint reader. So through this fingerprint reader, consumer do not need to provide any printed identification when they're doing any transactions at any Banco Azteca branches. So it makes it easier for their clients. And the services offered by the bank include personal loans, time deposit, and roll out used car loans, low income mortgage, and debit card. In 2003, Grupo Electra expanded by purchase of a private insurance company renamed as Seguros Azteca. So Seguros Azteca is an insurance company that offers basic insurance product at a very low process and very low uh, cost to cater to low income populations in Mexico. So all this segment target market is usually being ignored by Mexican insurance industries. So with the existence of Seguros Azteca, all Banco Azteca branches distributed the policies among its client to market the product offered by Seguros Azteca. So within a few years, the business started to grow and Banco Azteca started to finance individuals who wish to start or expand small businesses in Mexico. However, in 2007, the bank was criticized by Business Week magazine article and other media as well for abusing a microcredit practices in Mexico. The bank has been criticizing for profiteering from the poor by charging high effective annual interest rate up to 50% to 120% of interest rate. And the company is also being criticized of using high pressure employees quota and incentive in order to persuade its consumers to take loan within the longest period of 104 weeks. But according to World Bank report, Banco Azteca existence has a positive impact on the development of numerous communities through microfinancing. In 2014 alone, Global Financial Development reports about financial inclusion, and the World Bank indicates that after 2 years from the start of operation of Banco Azteca in 2002 in Mexico, the personal income increased by 7% in area where branches were established, and unemployment decreased by 1.4% due to the increased access credit with lower interest rate compared to local and microfinance loan provider. And also, in addition to that, World Bank reported that the increase in income was due to the strengthening of a small businesses as a result of large access to funding, while the growth of company generates job. As a result, the sources of work benefited low-income population segment that are the target market of Banco Azteca, which improve income distributions in Mexico. So, based on a report made by World Bank and World Bank claim, it clearly shows that the existence of Banco Azteca do have positive sides and impact towards Mexico economy. And despite all the critique made by the media, Banco Azteca continues to grow and expanding its businesses from Mexico country alone to Latin America region. And by 2015 alone, Banco Azteca is one of the largest bank in Mexico in terms of coverage, with 6.8 million saving and 9 million credit account existed in the bank. And the bank also starts to operate outside Mexico, such as Panama, Guatemala, Honduras, Peru, and El Salvador. That's all for my case study. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.